Next class में continue करूँगा तो.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, why do you think we need to study about injury? अलिक खर्र भन्दै त कसैले?
त्यसले पनि त्यो कज अफ डेथमा धेरै कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्छ म्याम.
Right.
जस्तै अब असल्टहरूको केस छ भने त्यसको डिफ्रेन्ट खालको इन्जुरी हुन्छ. अनि अब कसैले चक्कुले हानेको छ भने त्यसको डिफ्रेन्ट खालको हुन्छ. त्यो वेपन टाइप अफ वेपन युज पनि थाहा हुन्छ.
Okay, thanks, Kamna. So, while doing some examination, now injury examination is not only related with death, but it is also related with living as well. So don't get confused. Injury examination, it is done to living as well as dead. And while examining, we should assess the injury properly. First, we should know what type of force was used, by just seeing the injury. After reading about injury, you'll be able to classify what type of force was used, what type of weapon was used, as it reveals more information about the force. So assessment should be done. A location where injury is located, that should be written down well and clear. Now, this which classification of injury is to be done and documentation of the injury is to be done. Okay, so why do you need to know about injury? Medical legally, injury is very, very important. Examining the injury is very, very important as it helps in knowing the manner of the medical legal classification of injury. I know suicidal ho ki homicidal ho ki accidental injury ho, we can identify that, which will further help us to find out the cause of death, all right, or cause of the manner le gardakheri nai kun type of assault ho, we can categorize it. All right, so that is why we need to know about injury. Now, can anyone define injury? Take the definition of the let's end it here. This पछि तिमीहरुको दशैं holiday start भयो कि के छ next week हुन्छ class.
हिजो भोलि चाहिँ एक दिन बिदा छ म्याम घट स्थापनाको अनि त्यसपछि फेरि क्लास छ.
क्लास छ. All right.
हजुर.
भन त भन injury भने के हो? There are two kind of definition. One is medical definition, another is legal definition. What do you mean by injury? Medical definition मात्र भने पनि हुन्छ. I don't expect legal definition.
Any accidents caused by the action of violence or accidents at home, work or play area.
Any फेरि एकचोटि भन्नु त
Ma'am, any injuries which is caused by accidents or any act of violence.
Okay. So तर अब यस्तो हुन्छ definition भनेपछि if you are asked what is injury, you cannot say injury, it is injury भन्न मिलेन हैन. What is identification भनेपछि it is to identify भन्न मिलेन हैन. So injury भनेको के हो त? तिमीले when you see a injury, हैन, how do you know it's a injury? Okay, the injury examination हुनको लागि कसरी थाहा पाउँछौ तिमीले त्यो injury हो भनेर?
Damage भएको हुन्छ.
Damage, there can be some kind of damage, all right? Some kind of damage externally पनि हुन सक्छ, internally पनि हुन सक्छ, all right? So injury is any damage or dissolution of tissue of a living body. Dissolution of natural continuity of tissue of living body is known to be injury. So please be careful when you are asked about injury. You need to know about both the definition. Yoda definition, medical definition. This is the medical definition. All right. And further, you should know about the legal definition as well. Forensic medicine is regarded regarded with legal aspect. All right. So legally, it's quite different. All right. So legally, it is defined as any harm, whatever, illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation, and property is known to be injury. Okay, any harm, whatever, illegally caused to any person's body, mind, reputation, and property. So four things are included here: body, mind, reputation, and property is regarded as injury. Now, I'd like to ask you one question. That is, a person comes to you a patient comes to you for examination and emergency surgery गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Surgery गर्ने भनेको there is dissolution of the continuity of natural tissues. All right. So, is that regarded as injury or not? That's a question. Very good, Milan. Yes. Consent लिने बित्तिकै. Okay, right. So that is why this word is very important. That is illegally caused. All right. Illegally caused. If you fail to take consent, then it becomes illegal. And then that becomes injury. You know? But it was done in a good faith. कहिलेकाहीँ it's not जहिले पनि consent लिनै सक्छ भन्ने जरुरी छैन. Maybe a person who is a guardian or a family cannot be accompanying that person. Kunai emergency cases you might have to do emergency surgery. So whatever treatment that is done for the good faith of a patient, then that is not injury. All right. So again, if consent is not taken, then it becomes illegal. All right. So my purpose to make you understand is don't forget this word illegal. All right. So any harm, whatever done, whatever illegally caused to a person's body, mind, reputation, or property is injury. But if it is done in a good faith, then that is not injury. So these are the two definitions you need to know in the tip of your tongue. Suruma exam sodne viva especially sodne what is injury but surun. Then they'll move forward. So please remember these two definitions. And next class ko lagi say please go through classification of injury. All right, especially will go further. That is it for today. Please send me attendance and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.